Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and I am about to do oh, excuse me, my second LP. I just did one and I had some paints left over, so this time I put silicone in the paints. The first one I didn't, and this one record used to be the George Mann Orchestra, featuring the Golden Trumpet, and it's titled Georgie Girl. Once again, I got it for $1 in the charity shop. I'll put a bit of tape at the back just for the hole so I can open it up later, and I'm going to do a swipe with my spatula on this one. And I just want little bits of colour here and there, different ones. I might just put them on one at a time, I think. And you can have some purple, so can you. And of course you too. And who wants some blue? You do. And some silver. And last but not least, some red on those that do not have. Maybe a little bit more on you. There we go. See how that goes. Oh, I've still got heaps of colours left. That's alright too, because I have a piece of wood out there I want to do. So I'm just going to move them around a little bit. That'll do. They're not doing anything much. Maybe a bit more black in the centre there. Probably a mistake, but maybe not. If I don't have a lot of blue. There we go. Black, I mean. There we go. One spatula coming up, and we'll see how we go here. Oh, a lot of paint. This silver's looking very nice. Oh, look at the cells. Brilliant. I might just, though, put a bit of more silver on here because I don't want it too dark. And now I'm going to top some of this paint off. So, I have too much paint. This paint that I'm tipping off won't go to waste because I gather it all up and use it for bases on some of my paintings. Not all of them, but oh, that is nice. So I'm going to torch that, and not fussed on that bit. Come here. Alright, what colour? Black. That's better. Maybe here. Okay, let's torch it. Maybe she put her lighter over there. think I probably should have purchased a couple of more of those. Might have to go back and get a couple more of those records because they're really pretty, aren't they? Alright, I'll bring you down to have a look at this one. You'll find the recipes for the paints and the pouring medium under show more below this video, and there's also a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming, which you're more than welcome to come and join us over there. Nice to have your company. As you can see, I've got a lot of cells. I've got some lace there, which is rather pretty. Over here on the red is really nice. Very happy here. Very nice and not so hard to do. I rather like it on the records. Alright, well thank you very much for watching. Please give this the thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe and click the little bell. You'll be notified then when I put up other videos. And I hope you thoroughly enjoyed watching this, and as I said, please give it the thumbs up, and I'll catch you either over at Australia Art Dreaming or in the next video. So bye for now.